spot, let's take a look at this one here, because I know, it's probably close to worthless at this point, though there are everybody talking about how good this report was. Maybe this thing comes back a little bit. Who knows? Right now, the 145 call is still worth 20 cents. We'll see what happens the rest of the day here, and then we'll make a decision on whether we want to do something there. My alerts keep going off here. That's what you can see in the upper right-hand corner here, and that's for take two. Take two, which is getting slammed as well, not just because of EA, but because their report, they lowered their guidance. Take two, from a technical standpoint, has come down to a very interesting area, which is why I have this alert set up there. Let me show you the chart. Okay, see this right here, guys? This big area of almost a year ago, back in April, this big dip down here. Okay, that was some really good support. We are right down to that area. So what does that mean? Does that mean we automatically, potentially take a position here? No, but let's watch to see the trade around this area here, around this big area of support, see if it holds. If it doesn't, next area down here would be this gap that I want to see. That for sure we would take a signal in. But that's all the way down at 86. So let's see if this 92 half-ish area holds. If it does, we may take something back to the upside, probably selling a put spread. If it doesn't hold, then we'll be patient and see if this thing comes down to the next area of around 86.